Today I'm going to be trying to engrave a special bracelet for my wife. It will include some paw prints, pictures of my dogs, my dogs' names. So we're going to see how this goes. So first thing I'm going to print is a paw print. I'm going to print all the way on this left edge. So let's get this set to the right height and everything. I haven't used these bracelets before, so I don't really know exactly the sizing I'm going to want. So I'm just going to play with it a little bit here until I get the height that I want. Then I'll move it to where I want. I think I can go a little bigger. There we go. That looks like it'll be good. Move it almost to the edge here. And what I'm doing is I'm just kind of moving it around the screen. And I think that looks good. And I haven't, again, used this material before, but it's PU leather, so it should be similar to other PU leathers that I have done. So let's see how it works. Here's the first part. Let's go ahead and tell it to start the engraving. And there we go. So the first part looks very nice. This is a little thicker than my other PU leather I've used, but it's actually a good thing. It makes it look really nice on here. So next I'm going to put probably the name. Yeah, probably the name, and then a picture, and then a paw print, and then the picture, and then the other name, and then a paw print. Hopefully that'll all fit. But let's find out. Okay, I have the next piece ready to go. I realized her full name was going to take up way too much space, so I'm just doing the shortened version. Her name is Jasmine, but we call her Jazzy. So let's go ahead. I do really like how this setting looks on these bracelets. If you want to pick up the Genmitsu Z3, which is the engraver I use, or these bracelets, I'll make sure there are links to both in this video description. Unfortunately, I don't know if this bracelet's going to actually be big enough to hold everything I wanted to put on it. So I might have to make a new one and make stuff a little bit smaller. But look how good this looks. This is doing a great job engraving this. So now I'll get the next step. Okay, so this next one's going to be a trickier one. It's actually a little picture, so I'm not quite sure how this will turn out. If it doesn't turn out well, then I'm going to cancel this project where it is. I'll still post the video so that everyone can see how it went, but I won't finish, obviously, if it doesn't work well. And then I might just have to do one with just names and paw prints instead of pictures. So let's see how this goes. That actually looks really good. I really like it. Okay, time to get the next part going. Okay, so next I'm going to put a paw print on the far right. This way I can actually work from right to left to make sure that what I want fits. And then if there's room in the middle, I can throw another paw print, but I don't think there will be. But as you can see, this Genmitsu Z3 engraver is actually great for these types of small projects because multiple prints are easy to line up, or engravings are easy to line up and get set up quickly, and they look great. So let me get the next part ready. Our other dog is named Melody, but we just call her Mel. So that should be a nice small one to get put on here. And it's going. And then I think I'll fit Melody's picture in there and probably nothing else. But if so, that's fine. I really love this Genmitsu Z3 laser engraver. I've had so much fun playing with it, making all sorts of projects. Now I'm running out of project ideas, so if anyone has any ideas, let me know in the comments. There we go, one piece left. I'll get it set up and I'll be back. Now unfortunately, Melody's picture isn't going to look as good. She is white, so the contrast is really hard to get. But I'm going to go ahead and get this put on here anyway. And it looks like I might be able to fit a small version of the paw print between them, which I would love to do if there is room. So once this is done, I will give that a shot. Oh, you can see her face in there. Definitely not the best, but unfortunately, like I said, it's hard to get a picture of her to do it because she is primarily white. But I think right here I should be able to fit a small paw print. So I'll get that set up and be right back. Okay, time for the last piece. Again, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel to catch more content, and if you have questions, make sure you leave them in the comments. I'm happy to answer them. Here is the finished bracelet, which I think my wife is going to love. If you want to pick up the Genmitsu Z3 or these bracelets that I used, I will put product links in the description for this video. If you purchase through them, I will earn a small commission since those will be affiliate links. Again, if you like this, like the video, leave your comments, subscribe, and I will catch you all next time.